obey me.
Don't even think about going to that audition.
Please?
No.
No.
Mother!
Stop.
Stop.
Telling me
Me what to do.
That was awesome.
no.
Don't treat me like a child to you.
No.
I know that you want what's best.
Please.
But mother, please give it a rest. Stop, don't, no, please stop, don't, no, please stop, don't, no, please. Mama, I'm a big girl now. Once upon a time when I was just a kid, you never let me do just what the older kids did, but lose that laundry list of what you won't allow. 'Cause Mama, I'm a big girl now.
Oh, Tracy.
Once upon a time I used to play with toys, but now I'd rather play around with teenage boys. So if I date a little, please don't have a cow, 'cause Mama, I'm a big girl now. Mom, I gotta tell you that without a doubt, I got my best dancing lessons from you. You're the one that taught me how to twist and shout, because you shout non-stop and you're so twisted too. Oh, 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 oh. Once I used to fidget cause I just sat home, but now I'm just like getting, and I've got to get to roll. So say arrivederci and ciao. Mama, I'm a big girl now.
Oh.
Stop, don't, no, please stop, don't, no, please stop, don't, no, please. Mama, I'm a big girl now.
Is that me too?
It's always been her.
It's the invisible person.
But let me take that stage, I wanna take my bow. 'Cause Mama, I'm a big girl now. Once upon a time I used to dress up kids, and now that I'm a woman I like bigger men. And I don't need a Barbie doll to show me how. 'Cause Mama, I'm a big girl now. Mama, I gotta tell you that was not right, and I just wanna give it a try.
Wow.
Mama, I've been in the nest for far too long, so please give a push and Mama, watch me fly, watch me
Step
fly.
over into the wind, and
I will meet a man you won't condemn, and we will have some kids so you can torture them. Let me hit the scene before I take right now. 'Cause Mama, I'm a big girl now. Mama, I'm a big girl now. Mama, I'm a big girl. Ooh, such a big girl. I'm a big girl. Stop, please stop, don't, no,